Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI MatePad Pro 12.6 to an Android device. First of all, you need to access Play Store on an Android and App Gallery on HUAWEI. Then install free app called Send Anywhere on both. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use this app, you need to click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do the same on an Android. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Following that, click on Send on HUAWEI and Receive on Android smartphone. Then tap on all of those type of dots and hit Send. This way you will select all of those files and then send them. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with those two photos. Click on Send and tap on Got It in the pop-up. Now tap on one of those options on your Android, yes I agree or no thanks, and click on Close this window. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on the scanning icon on an Android next to input key, selecting while using the upper only this time and pointing our camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and connect those devices by tapping on the Receive button. Either way, after a couple of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!